story. Let's talk about this one now. So Bitcoin over the weekend reached $100,000 for the first time, and according to who is this here? Gautam, not gonna pronounce that. This fellow here, nice Indian fellow. That it's going to be the new age premier store of value, replacing gold over the next decade and becoming a permanent part of institutional multi-asset allocation and a standard for corporate treasury management. The prediction came after Bitcoin broke through the $100,000 mark on Wednesday. Crypto has surged since Donald Trump's election, with investors gearing up for a more crypto-friendly administration and regulatory environment. Such optimism has kicked off a wave of buy and hold activity across Wall Street. Bitcoin spot ETFs have accumulated over around $100 billion since they were launched earlier this year, making the funds the fastest growing ETFs ever. At the same time, business software firm MicroStrategy has been aggressively pursuing a Bitcoin treasury strategy, holding over $40 billion of the token on its balance sheet, and other firms following suit. According to Bernstein, ETFs have boosted Bitcoin's store of value allure by offering traditional investors a more convenient way to hold the token. Meanwhile, updated guidelines from the Financial Accounting Standards Board will make it easier for corporations to hold Bitcoin on their balance sheets, facilitating further adoption. So it's yeah, and yeah, it says here, some on Wall Street expect Washington to embrace Bitcoin's store of value attribute, calling for the Trump administration to introduce a national Bitcoin reserve. Senator Cynthia Lummis has suggested that the government could buy more Bitcoin for this goal by selling Fed-held gold certificates. I only have one thing to say about this, and that is, one, I guess I wish I hadn't sold Bitcoin at $600 because, you know, I would, I would have made a lot of money by now. But two, this is all Bitcoin. One, it doesn't exist. It doesn't. It's ones and zeros on servers. Two, it's an environmental disaster. Just putting that out there. And three, its whole value is predicated on only one thing, and that is that someone else will pay more for it. Gold has been a store of value and of currency for 50,000 years. I mean, that's not new, and it's rare. That's why it's valuable. It's hard to find. Not everybody, has it, sort of thing, and it's hard to find. Bitcoin, you can't hold it. And most importantly, and here's, I think, the crazy thing about it, is gold can be minted into coins and used as currency, and is all the time. Bitcoin, the network does